Hello everyone, welcome to Code is Good. In this video, we'll discuss about what is stable and unstable sort. Whenever we are given few items to sort and it contains duplicate items, then we have two options. One, in this case, if we are taking this example where we have few integers to sort and we see that there are two nines which is duplicate. So when if we have to sort, then we have two options. One is to preserve their relative ordering, that the black 9 should come before red 9. Otherwise, we can ignore the relative ordering and we can just place the magnitude of the number in their respective order. Whenever we preserve the relative ordering of the elements, then it is called stable sort. And if we are not bothered about maintaining the relative ordering of the elements, then it is called unstable sort. In this stable sort scenario, we can see that when this input array or numbers of the list, when it is sorted, then it is maintaining the relative ordering by placing the black 9 first and then the red 9. In the other case, whenever when the numbers are getting sorted, so the red 9 is coming before the black 9, which is not preserving the relative ordering of the number. So this is a simple difference between stable and unstable sorting. Let's see an example of bubble sort. Take a moment and think whether bubble sort is a stable or unstable sorting. By this time, just think about how bubble sort sorts the elements it is given for sorting. Well, I think you would have guessed the answer right, that bubble sort is a stable sort because when we are comparing input elements, we only swap them if the element at index I is greater than the element at index I plus 1. So when similar elements end up being next to each other, there will be no swap and hence eventually land up at their initial indexes. So in case of duplicate, whenever it will be found, so since they are equal, they will not be swapped with each other's location. In any algorithm, if it has a condition of greater than or equals to, in our bubble sort we had only greater than condition, but if any algorithm is having both greater than and equals to condition, then this will result in unstable sorting. Since we got to know that stable sort preserves relative ordering of duplicate elements, so we should always prefer stable sort to unstable sort. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Code is Good for being on top of learning. Thank you.